Hey, I am Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right across Australia with over 2,000 members and collective sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, click on the link below or go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. We all know that you need brand registry. You get so many advantages by having it now on Amazon that you'd have to be crazy not to get it. Well, what's the fastest way of getting brand registry? In this video, you'll find out. All right, so next question. What is the fastest way to get brand registry on Amazon? Very, very good question. Very, very prescient question. I will start by saying this, all right? I'm going to give you the fast ways of doing it and also some interesting ways of thinking about it as well. I'm going to start by saying this, though. One thing we are looking at as a business is looking at different countries around the world and the amount of time it takes that specific country to register a trademark, and then seeing if we can utilize that that speed to get our trademark faster and therefore get brand registry faster. Brand registry now is at the point where you are at a disadvantage by not being brand registered on Amazon. They have got so much cool stuff now that allows you to do within your Amazon business, but not having it is actually a huge disadvantage to you, okay? So right now, priority number one should be to get brand registered for your business if you're not already brand registered. It's a massive thing. So that's what we're doing. We're looking at some different things, like I'm just looking at the Philippines, for instance, where it takes 2 months to get a trademark, and seeing if we can then utilize that trademark to get brand registered on Amazon.com. So that's one thing we're looking at as a potential way to hack the amount of time it takes us. And add to that as well, a trademark in the Philippines is actually super, super cheap as well to do that. So anyway, that's a whole different thing. So how do you get brand registered really, really fast? So the very, very fastest way, because what you need is you need a trademark for your products, okay? That's what Amazon wants. Amazon wants to see that you own a trademark for your products. And as soon as you have that, you can then use that to get brand registry. So the very fastest way of getting that is actually to go through Amazon's Ip Accelerator, okay? This is the Ip Accelerator here. Now, if you're in Australia, I've got bad news for you, but let me give you the info first. This is the fastest way, because Amazon will actually give you brand registry in lieu of your trademark. So it takes, let's just say it takes 8 months to get a trademark. They'll actually give you all of the benefits of brand registry immediately from when you get started with this Ip Accelerator, because you're going to use a pre-audited lawyer, intellectual property lawyer, to get you through the process. And Amazon said, if you're using them, then we're just going to assume that ultimately you'll get it, therefore you can get all the advantages of brand registry. So that is, without a doubt, the fastest. It's also the most expensive as well, because it's around the $2,000 to $2,500 to go through that route to get it. Whereas if you use somebody like Kate Sun, who's a member of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, she does intellectual property and she gets trademarks and things like that. Just hook up with Kate and she'll be able to get you that. It's much, much cheaper. Okay, but there's speed to market, and this is clearly much, much faster. Okay, so in terms of what is fastest, this is the very, very fastest way of doing it. However, problem is, this is not available in Australia, which sucks. It's not available in Australia. So here's where it is available. Oops. Let's just hit refresh. They've actually just launched this into they've just launched this into the UK. So Ip Accelerator is available there, but unfortunately it's not in Australia yet. So you can't use the Ip Accelerator route in Australia to get into it. You can in the USA, you can in the UK, you can in Germany, but not in Australia. So in Australia, you're kind of stuck. You've got to go through the normal route, which is going through the IP route, and Kate's son's the best person to do that. It's going to take longer, but it is what it is. It is what it is. All right, so let me just have a look. Taking submissions. Oh, good. Simon Smithers has just given me breaking news, breaking news. Here we go. This is just from Simon. Okay, so they've just opened up. Thank you for that, Simon. That's friggin' awesome. So they've just opened this up. Now, if you're interested, that's super cool. Good spotting, Simon. Send to all. There you go. So they're now taking submissions for this. Okay, so submit interest. It's not live yet, but you can put yourself onto a wait list ready to go, which is super cool. Okay, that's awesome. I did not know that, so thank you, Simon. That's awesome. All right, so that's the fastest way, although this is not live yet, but still register your interest, because you get immediate access. It's bound to be faster than the traditional route, but it will also be a little bit more money. Awesome. Hey, my name is Neil-Asher, and you have just watched one of our Monday night Q&A sessions that I do with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. They can come and ask me any question at all, and as you've seen, we'll answer that live for them. If you'd like to find out more about the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, including how we've been able to sell $50 million of products right here in Australia, click on the link below or get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you next time.